Ah, so what I want to introduce here is relaxation response. Basically, what it is meditation. It's kind of a broader example of guided meditation or visualization. It can be used both ways. It can be used a number of different ways. The effects for this are to lower impacts due to chronic stress, such as high blood pressure, anxiety disorders, and the like. Um, when you are under chronic stress, you can experience things like hypertension, or you can even develop heart disease. You can develop overweight, um, stress eating, that type of deal. So, and anxieties. There's just any number of different ailments. What this technique is supposed to do is it's supposed to give you a counter to the fight or flight response, and the physical effects that go along with that. So the basic routine here, and I'll go through the steps first, is to sit in a relaxed position. You don't want to be tense when you're sitting. So that's one of the first things you're going to do is just relax. You're going to sit in a quiet, relaxed area. You're going to close your eyes. So you can close your eyes and just relax all your muscles. And you can do this in a number of ways. You can relax them. What I usually do when I do this technique for myself, I do meditation, and I do it with some of the kids that I work with as a therapeutic mentor. What I usually do is I start from up here, and I try to visualize just this light that's just moving down the body to relax the body and just get into a very, very relaxed state. With your eyes closed, just try to clear your mind. And you want to be very, very cognizant of your breathing. You want to breathe in through your nose and breathe out. And on your exhaling, the person who coined this phrase often says to think of one word and say it. And this word should have no meaning, no association for you. Some people will say a word. Some people will visualize something in their mind that's calming and relaxing. I like to think of it as building roots into the ground to steady yourself, to give you a foundation, and let all that negative energy from the stressors just flow out into the ground through those roots. It's a grounding technique, and I use that in some of my religious tenets. Being Wiccan, grounding is one of the major tenets before doing any ritual work. So you're going to close your eyes again, become cognizant of your breathing after you've relaxed your body. And you're going to repeat this. And the point is to stay relaxed. And if anything negative enters your mind, just ignore it and let it pass. Let it go through. And just continually repeat your one word, or continue to visualize your one calming scene. Or in my case, I continue to visualize just positive energy coming in and pushing all of that negativity out through my feet and into the ground. And that is also a way of relaxing the body. I can relax the neck and the arms and the chest and down into the legs and eventually into the feet. And yes, there have been times when I've fallen asleep during this, but that's fine. Some of the other things that you have to be concerned with is you don't want to get right back up. You want to take a few minutes with your eyes closed and just breathe normally, and just sit normally, and just stay relaxed. And don't just get right back up, because that just counteracts all the effects here. You want to move into that slowly, and you want to, even after you open your eyes, you still want to remain seated for a while and just calm and relaxed. And then when you're ready, after a few minutes, you can get up and move on. So if you were to do this and we were to practice this right now, it would basically be, something of this nature, which I do as well. So and again, when you're done, you don't want to just get back up. You want to just relax. Stay seated and relaxed. Just breathe normally. And open your eyes. Continue to breathe normally. Keep all negative thoughts out of your mind. And then when you're ready, you can move on from there. And that's the basic technique of relaxation response. Again, it's meditated, it's guided meditation, it's visualization. It's even part of understanding with yoga. Tai Chi does a lot of it as well, with the breathing exercises. And so that's basically it. So I appreciate it, and just refrain from making any comments about how foolish I look as a long-haired hippie doing this. Thank you.